Hello and welcome to Raylan Car Sales. Here today we are looking at this absolutely amazing Mercedes-Benz C200 Petrol AMG line premium. So this vehicle is top of the range. Just give you a second to look at the vehicle. You can see the panoramic sunroof is open at the moment back. This will also tilt and it does have privacy blind. The alloy wheels are in amazing condition. They aren't blemished. They are still diamond cut with a lovely anthracite grey detail to them. Tyres are in great condition. To the front of the vehicle you have those Mercedes-Benz LED lights with day running light feature. Front parking sensors you can see, and a lovely chrome lip to the front. When we come around the side, you'll see the windows are tinted green. This is factory fit tint, and there are some lovely chrome details to the door handles. All the wheels are in excellent condition. Show you another one there. These are obviously AMG wheels, as this vehicle is an AMG line premium. There are no dents to the vehicle at all. Parking sensors on the rear, and also all important reverse camera. Show you there another wheel. All tyres are in excellent condition. This vehicle does have the electric boot, so if you have got your hands full, very easy to operate. You've got your close and lock buttons, again electronic. There is a boot protection mat there and the load cover in place. Even still the plastic wrapper on the trim there. This car has been incredibly well looked after, and the seats do fold, which I believe is an option on this vehicle, even being an estate car. Very important, makes it very usable. So we're going to come around to the vehicle now. Just show you into the back. Black leather interior, black trim around the doors, electric windows in the rear as you would expect, AMG on the mats. Just going to start the car up and shut the sunroof up. Show you that working there. And the mileage on the vehicle, 63,979. The seatbelt light is on there, and that's just because I'm not going to drive in the handbrake light. We've just popped the start-stop onto the vehicle so you can see that. This vehicle has Mercedes Me Connect. You've obviously got your satnav, you have the media connect. If I connected my music to this vehicle, we have your telephone preparation. This vehicle has it all. It does have the LED lights inside the vehicle. It does also have a nice option, 3 memory sittings with full electric seats. That is quite rare with the Mercedes. They do tend to be partially electric. These ones are full electric with heated facility, and obviously your electric mirrors there also. Auto lights, auto wipers on this vehicle. Car is running at the moment, and you literally can hear nothing. Just give it a little rev. Almost silent. Absolutely lovely cabin space to be in. You've got some really nice details across the vehicle. Show you around so you can see the leather stitching, the black kind of cloud effect to the trim. It's just absolutely a stunning space to be. A very, very, very nice car. Just take you to the outside of the vehicle. We were very lucky to jump inside when we did. We've just started a little bit of rain here at Raylan Car Sales. I'll just show you the outside one last time. If you would like to view this vehicle, you can call us on 01460 312 923. We do view by appointment. We view Monday to Sunday all through the week and weekend. Thank you.